Okay, this is test run number 2 on the 62 Sea King single cylinder boat motor. Testing out some leaks. I got a little hairline fracture in the tank at the shutoff valve, dripping there. The shutoff valve itself seems to be dripping there. I put some thread sealer. I think the valve itself is shot. The float carb floats working beautifully. Of course, I don't think it's seating properly, so I'm getting some overflow with the top. So we're gonna put some gas in it. We're gonna see how it looks, and then we're gonna prime it, see what we got. Okay, so the cork works good. What you didn't see was when I opened up the fuel valve, that cork shot straight up. So the problem is the seat in the valve is not seating right. So what's happening is, I believe right now this bowl is still filling up, and eventually it'll start seeping out this. This isn't gasket. It's not gas. Isn't not meant to come out of the top of here unless you prime it too much. So I'm hoping that that valve is fixed and then I seated it. Right now it's not pouring out the top yet. I think it's going to be okay. I also had to modify the gas tank a little bit. For some reason, when I put it back together, this thing was off. So I had to kind of cut the gas tank. I hate to ruin the original metallurgy of it. Probably kills the value of it. Not that I'm trying to sell it, but so I just took my grinding wheel and my Dremel, fit it, so that's good. I still need to put a piece on to make sure that that screw don't come out. So I'm gonna put this on. It's tight. We're gonna open the vent cap. This needs to be vented. See if it jiggles out. It probably will. I'm gonna fix that too. You can see a little bit of fuel on the shutoff valve. A little bit of seepage, but if I can just get it to not drip, it should be fine. Let's give it a pull, see if it starts. Let's just set the camera first. Camera back up properly. Starting 1 or 2 pulls. I'm gonna not prime the carb this time, hoping, as you see, I'm getting. I think it's coming up the top already. A little residual fuel. Let's see what happens. And I broke the fucking rope. And there you go. Fuel's pouring out of the carb and it's not starting. Why? I don't know. There you go. Trials and Tribulations, part 50. Let's see if it goes. Track. Issues with this all day. Tight on. And it locked up. So it did start, which is good. I think it locked up because I think my pull rope was broken.
It started already?
Start and 1 pull. Okay, we're gonna pull start it again. I think one of the bolts got sheared in the thing. Good start. Full start in one pull. What's going to happen is, when you get up to full speed, it's going to cut off. Because this dang float needle is not stopping the flow of gas here. When you get up to full step, it's going to choke out and die, but maybe we can get lucky. See, it's choking out already. Yep. Too much gas. Yep. I fucking broke it. I quit.